Want to know how to create a mini login system in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a mini login system easily. So the idea is pretty simple. So right here we have our pretty medium-sized code right here. We store a correct username and password inside the program. Then we let the user try logging in with just 3 attempts. After that, we simply log them out. So right here we know that we have this string correct user and correct pass that we have stored inside the data, and we have named.mp3. So we have used a while loop right here. So we let the user enter your username and then let them type in, and same for password. So now inside that we have used an if else statement. So uh, if user and pass is correct, we just simply success login, and if it's not correct, under else we just simply negatize out our attempts, which will be -1, which is double minus, and then we write incorrect. So after 3 attempts, we just simply head out of the while loop, and then we just simply type in system.println, and then we tell our account is locked, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So I'm just going to show you by running this code right here, and right here we can see our username. So if I write a wrong username, so we can see that our attempt is closed. So if I write a proper username and password, here you go, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.